My people, now good morning, now good afternoon, now good evening. I greet you according to our time. Now welcome back to another video. I beg, if today is the first day we all see my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. My returning subscribers, thank you one until they always come back to watch my video. So guys, today video I want to show you how to prepare this yummy, delicious jollof rice. No fail method. Like if you go through this process, how to prepare this jollof rice, like you know they ever fail. Okay, your jollof rice will always come out yummy and delicious. Okay, so if you want to know how to prepare, and then keep on watching. So guys, for this recipe we will use turkey and chicken. So guys, first of all, I can put my seasoning. You put my curry, thyme. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Okay, any seasoning of your choice. Your jollof rice will still come out well and delicious. Okay, then I can put onion, salt, ginger paste. I just put all my seasoning, then I can stir for some time, then I can cover and make it simmer for some time. Okay, then later I can come back and I can add water the same level with the meat, so make it take cook.
Sexy ladies, come back. Now the love we I see when they give me the liver.
So guys, our meat is already. I just set down to oven. Now make we cook the rice. Then I put my pan for fire. Then I put all the groundnut oil. After the groundnut oil don't hot small, then I put onions. I stir fry for some time. Then later I can add ginger paste. Guys, sorry say I lost the clip. Okay, I add ginger paste. Okay, then I can fry for some time. Then after I fry for like 2 minutes, then I can put my blended onions, fresh pepper, tomatoes, red bell pepper. Okay, so I just put them inside, then I can begin fry. Yes, so I like to fry my tomatoes very well. Like guys, make sure to fry them very well, just to remove that slap taste, you know, that taste. You need to fry your tomatoes when you cook your jollof fry. You need to fry them well. Okay guys, then I can fry for some time. I beg my people, if you don't watch me up to this time and you never subscribe, I beg make you not fail to subscribe. Make you like, share and comment. Okay, I beg my people, I dey like to read una comment. Make una dey leave comment for me. Okay, so guys, after I don't fry for some time, as you can see, our tomatoes is well fried, like well fried. Then I can put my seasoning, put curry, thyme and nutmeg. Yes guys, I put nutmeg. Guys, if you want to take your jollof rice taste to the next level, okay, add nutmeg. See guys, if you add nutmeg to your jollof rice, you will come back and testify. I mean, you will come back and thank me. Then I can put salt, then I can stir everything together. As you guys can see, my tomatoes is well fried, properly fried. Yes, not like this, they don't say yes, the tomatoes they were fried. So guys, after I fry for some time, later I can put my rice. This rice I not boil am. I wash them with hot water. Okay, I wash them very well until the water they clear. So I
Sexy ladies, come back. Now the love we I see when they give me the liver. I be ghetto boy, I be sinner. Fear nobody, only Jehovah. I dey thank God I dey go far. No same but muda labor. Shout to me in the corridor. Bandana loli biti tupa. Midnight workers karashika. Them never see me coming. Coming. But one is coming. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Them never see me coming. Coming. But one is coming. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy.
So my people, our jollof rice is ready. Like this jollof rice is well cooked, like well cooked. Tastes so good guys. This jollof rice tastes so yummy. me and my family we really enjoy am. Guys, hope so una enjoy this video. Abeg, if una enjoy this video, una not forget to subscribe. Or if you never subscribe, una like, comment and share. Okay, this rice, it tastes so yummy, guys. It tastes so yummy. I know the exact, it tastes so good. Okay, so guys, I'll see you now again for my next one. Now bye.